The one insanely easy trick that makes fruit better for you. It kind of goes without saying that fruit is loaded with good for you stuff, which is why SNA, that's Standard Nutritional Advice, says that you should be eating tons of it. And for the vast majority of Americans who subsist mostly on meat, potatoes, and sugar, that's an awesome recommendation. But what if you're already eating squeaky clean, or pretty close to it? Can overdoing it on the fruit actually be a bad move? Surprisingly, yes. Fruit gets its sweet flavor from fructose, a simple sugar that's also found in honey and agave nectar, and is used to make high-fructose corn syrup. Table sugar, or sucrose, consists of half fructose and half glucose, the sugar found in starchy carbs, and like any type of sugar found in any type of food, the fructose in fruit spikes your blood sugar. In the short run, that can leave you feeling shaky, lightheaded, or susceptible to craving even more sweet stuff. It doesn't raise your blood sugar the way a soda would, but it still raises your blood sugar, says Frances Largeman Roth, RDN, author of Eating in Color. Soda contains way more sugar than a piece of fruit, for instance, 39 grams in a 12-ounce can of cola versus 19 grams in a medium apple. Plus, whole fruit is loaded with fiber, which acts like a dam that allows the fructose to be absorbed by your body at a more controlled rate instead of flooding your system all at once. Still, not all fruit is created equal. Fruits that are naturally lower in sugar, like blackberries, raspberries, and melon, tend to have less impact on your blood sugar than fruits that pack more of the sweet stuff, like fresh figs, mango, grapes, or bananas. Ones like apples, pears, peaches, and plums fall sort of in the middle. What's more, when you eat fruit with other stuff instead of on its own, you can slow fructose's absorption even more. By pairing fruit with fat or protein, instead of a sharp blood sugar spike, you'll get a rounded peak, says Largeman Roth. Read, longer-lasting energy, less hunger, and fewer cravings. Think apple slices with nut butter, berries with Greek yogurt, or grapes with a wedge of cheese. All classic snacks for a reason, right?